You've probably seen these wild CCTV style animal clips blowing up on TikTok and YouTube shorts. The ones that look like hidden cameras catching unbelievable moments in the wild. Millions of people are hooked. But here's the shocking truth, most of them are not real. Yes, you heard that. They are made with AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Veo3. And today, I am going to show you exactly how to do that. So the step one in creating this video is to head over to ChatGPT. Yes, this is ChatGPT. And then you're going to type this exact prompt. I already have my prompt here and I'm going to leave it for you in a Google Docs file. All you have to do is follow me on my WhatsApp channel and then you would get the script. My WhatsApp channel link is in my description or I'll leave it in the comment section. All you have to do is just follow me on WhatsApp and then I'll leave the link. So you copy this, is a ready-made prompt for you, and then you paste it on ChatGPT. So I'm going to wait for ChatGPT to create this. Of course, ChatGPT is already doing this. Say, here are 5 viral style CCTV animal caught on camera script that, wow. Wait, see this one, gorilla in the parking lot. And it's, you see this script is quite detailed. I gave it the visuals, I gave it the audio. So that's why you need the script. Just follow me on WhatsApp and I'm going to leave it in my WhatsApp channel. So these are 5 different scripts. You can use this to create more. You could even tweak the script and probably choose the kind of animals you want. So I have this gorilla in the parking lot, and the visuals is grainy black and white security feed of an empty underground parking lot. Timestamp flickers 2:43 a.m. Camp 4, and it's a huge gorilla lumbering into fame. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. Let's just copy this, and then head over to Flow. So I'm sure you already know Flow by now. I'm just going to log into Flow, create with Flow, and then yep. Create with Flow. For those of you who might have exhausted your Flow account, I created a video on how you can access Google Vids using Pro. So you understand. Let me just click on new project. I'll click on new project, and while that is loading, I'm going to paste my vid here. So I'm just going to say, let me add here, create a video. Okay, so this is it, create a video, and then click on enter. So that's it. And then we'll wait for Flow to create this video for me. Now you might be wondering, why are these videos even making sense? Like, why do people even like these videos? See, they feel real. Look at this one, for example.
Amidst the
Look at this
amidst the
one of the
freezing
pen.
cold, a
Videos
warm hug might
actually
be all
feel
you
so
need
real and
until
they
you
feel
realize you
raw.
need a big yawn
And
too.
the black and white security footages make it look authentic, like you're watching something you weren't supposed to see. And it's another thing is the crazy things the animals do. It makes everything look so perfect. So just have a powerful AI script with Google VEO3 and then you would achieve this. And in the meantime, if you've not followed my YouTube channel, please do that. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, comments. What I do on this channel is to teach you how to prompt, teach you how to make use of prompts to achieve perfection. So here is our video. Okay, so this is the video I generated. A grainy black and white security feed of an empty underground parking lot. I don't know why it's not playing, but click on download. Download as original size. And let me go to my download folder. Downloads folder, and yep, this is the video. So let's play the video and see. Okay. This is it. So this is the video. So you see, you can create as many as you want. You can create as many as you want. Let's try another one. Okay, let's try another one. Wolves board meeting. Should you try this or should you try raccoon ATM robbery? Okay, let me just try this raccoon ATM robbery. Copy this and then I am going to paste it in Flow. I'm going to paste it in Flow and then generate it again. So in the meantime, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. What are you waiting for? On this channel, what I'll teach you is how to create and then dominate. You want to learn AI image consistency, you want to learn branding with AI, I'll teach you all of that. So please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions at all, kindly leave your questions in the comment section. I would go through your questions and then answer them. And if you've never joined my WhatsApp channel, then you have to. You don't want to miss those prompt templates, do you? Okay, back to this. It's still at 55%. I'll just allow it to load and pause here so the video doesn't get long. Okay, now the video is ready. Raccoon ATM robbery visuals. Okay. Why it's not slow. But let's download it and see. Download. Just like click on this icon, click on original size. And yep, it is downloaded. So I'm going to go back here. And yes, this is the file. Raccoon ATM robbery saved. Okay, let's view this and see. All right, okay, and if you notice, this has the date, and this just look like a real CCTV footage camera. So you don't have to stress yourself. Just join my WhatsApp channel, and then you get access to this animal footage from. So you can create all your videos and post it on TikTok. Now this is blowing on social media. This is actually blowing on social media. This channel has 28.9k followers, 2.6 million likes, and it's just on animal footage. So you need to join the moving train while it lasts. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one. Ciao ciao.